Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a Partners in Cream project pan update. So if you want to hear about the progress I made in the last month, then just keep on watching. Before we do that though, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Alright you guys, so this should be probably a pretty quick update. Let's just hop right into it. First up, we have my Flexitarian Highlight. I used this a total of 16 times in the last month. And we finally have hit side pan. I have been aiming for this for months. My goal with this item is to finish it. It is slow going. What I've started to do is layer my highlights. So I will put this down, and then if I don't want this kind of icy highlight, I will top like a goldeny highlight or a pink highlight or whatever I'm feeling over top of this, kind of as a amplifying base. So that's what I've been doing. Hopefully that will help me meet my goal faster. I use this a lot. I mean, I used it 16 times. I feel like that's a really good amount of times over the last month. So, I mean, this is slow going. I'm just going to keep working on it. It'll stay in this project. I'm not planning on rolling it out. So yeah, it's staying in, but I'm enjoying it. I love this highlight. It's my favorite highlight. I'm savoring every second of it. Next up, we have a really exciting update, actually. It's my e.l.f. lip gloss. This is the Retro Paradise Dream On Lip Gloss in the shade Strawberry Daiquiri. And I don't know if you can tell, so we started here, and there is not a lot of gloss left. I've been wearing this like crazy. I actually took the stopper out, which if you know me, I never take the stoppers out of things. I never cut into things. Like, there is not a lot of gloss left in there. A lot is coming off the wand, but it's not, like, inconvenient to not have the stopper there. I used this 9 times in the last month, and when I did, this isn't a long-lasting gloss, so I'll just keep it on my desk right here. This is where I work every day. I just keep it on my desk, and I just reapply it like crazy. So, yeah, I've been able to get a lot of use out of it the 9 days that I've worn it. And I don't know, I'll probably be able to get this out of here by next update. There is not a lot of product in there, so that's exciting. I was expecting this to last quite a long time in this project, so I'm just really good at putting lip gloss, I guess. I never would have guessed. I really didn't like lip gloss until like last year, so this is exciting. Next up, we have another exciting update. So it's my third eye lipstick from ColourPop. I used this 8 times. I think I set a goal of 10 times, but I'm happy with 8. And I don't know if you can tell, but I was trying to focus on using the slant of this, like focus on the lipstick, please. Oh my god, what the heck? So I don't know if you can tell, but I've actually been working on reducing the slant of this because it was very like slopey. So I've been just focusing on the tip of the lipstick, and let me grab my little chart. So last update, I actually like had no progress. So if you can see, we are there. So we made about the same as the other months. So a decent bit of progress. I mean, I would like for this to be faster, but again, it's just going to be a long haul product. This isn't the creamiest. This isn't the creamiest of lipsticks, but I have definitely made good progress on this. If it wants to focus, I don't know why it doesn't want to focus on the lipstick. But we have made good progress. I mean, it's definitely gotten smaller, and I do think I can finish this by the end of the year. It's just slower going than I would like. My e.l.f. concealer, now I don't have a progress line to share because I wasn't planning on filming this tonight, but then I realized I have quite a busy weekend actually, which is exciting. It's like the first time in over a year I've had a busy weekend. I'm officially, as of today, fully vaccinated. I am really excited. We're gonna spend the day at the park tomorrow. That's not really vaccinated related, but then on Sunday it's Mother's Day, so I get to see my mom and I get to hug my grandma for the first time in over a year, so I'm just really excited. I'm gonna have a busy weekend, so I wanted to film this now. Anyway, e.l.f. concealer. I used this 14 times. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of windowing in here. There's not a lot left. Last update we were here, so I would guess we're closer to the bottom, and it's really just kind of on the sides. Yeah, it's mostly on the sides. There's not a lot left in here. I'm not I'm not going to take the stopper out of this. I don't love this concealer that much to take the stopper out. So once I can't really get anything off of the brush, we'll call it done. I do think this will be in here 2 to 3 more months. I think it will last quite a bit. I find concealer does, even when you're getting to the bottom. I haven't been wearing concealer as much lately, which is kind of weird for me, but, and there's Scooter. He had a long day, so it was his second day of doggy daycare. It was his first full day. We only took him for a half day the first day, and yeah, he had a very busy, tiring day at doggy daycare. Anyway, so yeah, I do expect this to last quite a bit of time, and yeah, it'll be in here a few more months, and then I can finally call it done. Then we have my Wander Beauty Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion. I use this 11 times, which I feel like usually I use it more. I think I didn't use it as much because I finished up the foundation that I was mixing this with. I'm sorry, he likes to lick things, so if you hear him licking, that's my Scooter. So the foundation that I like to mix this in with, I finished. So I haven't been mixing this in with it. I have started to use it just underneath foundation, and I do like that, so I guess that's how I'll finish it up. We are about here, so as you can see, not as much progress as like other months, but we're getting to the end. A few more months and this will be rolled out. And then finally, we have my Leica Moss Super Shock Shadow, and we hit pan in 2 uses. There is that little center disc there. I really enjoy this shadow. It's paired really nicely with my Raw Beauty Christy palette and my Pan Those Shadows, so I enjoyed this quite a lot. And then, yeah, that's my update. Those are all the products I have in this project, and we have a Super Shock Shadow rolling out. So we're going to roll a Super Shock Shadow in, and this one is my In Harmony Super Shock Shadow. This is Ultra Metallic. So it's just a nice gold. I've probably used it once or twice. Again, the goal will be to hit pan on this shadow. And then including this shadow that I'm rolling in, I have 3 shadows in total that I need to hit pan on Super Shock. So hopefully I'll be able to hit that by, you know, fall time, and then I don't know what I'll do from there, but yeah, I'm really excited to be working on this one. I feel like this is a really great summer color for me. And with that all being said, that is my Partners in Cream project pan update. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to watch everyone else's updates. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!